This is a song I wrote, and I call it Crossroads. I don't know where I am going, 'cause I've reached the end of the page, and the map of the end point ain't looking too clear, and I notice that we're running out of time. And I don't know where we are on the mountain, 'cause we've been going uphill so long. And I know it gets easier on the other side, but I don't know if I wanna be there yet. Could you tell me where we are going, and why we're still standing there? 'Cause we passed a crossroads miles ago, and I figured that I would lose you there. Oh, I figured that I would lose you And yes, I am still running, though I've been knocked off of my feet. And knowing that I'm stumbled, I keep going along, 'cause the road, it goes on and it goes on. And the best things are unexpected, and you would be one of those things. And though it's cheesy and lame, I'm gonna say it all the same. But I'm glad that I had the journey through. Could you tell me where we are going, or whether we should stop for a while? 'Cause we passed a crossroads miles ago, and I hope we can look back and smile. Oh, I want to look back and smile, back and smile. Just smile. 'Cause these are times we whisper little secrets to our friends. This is time we stand together, holding hands with our friends. Tell me, what's the point of the journey? To reach the end that I cannot see, or is it spending time with you, with me and her, and he and him and her, and you and me, and you know the rest? With him and her and me, and you know the rest. Well, you know the